Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learning Room. This is fifth lecture of our new series Crash Course in Syntax. In this lecture, we will learn about adjective phrases and adverb phrases, their structures, head words, functions, and how they are identified in sentence structure. An adjective phrase, AdjP, is a phrase whose head word is an adjective. The head adjective determines the grammatical category of the entire phrase, while the other words modify or complete its meaning. For examples, happy, very happy, extremely intelligent, proud of his success, and full of water, the head words are happy, happy, intelligent, proud, and full, respectively. Let's discuss the characteristics of adjective phrase. An adjective phrase has an adjective as its head word, which determines the grammatical category of the phrase. It describes or modifies a noun or pronoun and may consist of one word or several words. An adjective phrase can also include modifiers that intensify the adjective or complements that complete its meaning, while functioning as a single syntactic unit within a sentence. For example, in a very intelligent student, intelligent is the head adjective and very modifies its meaning. Now let's talk about the structure of an adjective phrase. The structure of an adjective phrase, AdjP, is built around a head adjective, which is the essential element of the phrase. An adjective phrase may consist of only an adjective, or an adverb followed by an adjective, or an adjective followed by a prepositional phrase, or an adverb, adjective, and prepositional phrase. For example, in happy, happy is the head adjective. In very happy, happy is modified by very. In proud of his son, proud is the head adjective, while of his son completes its meaning, and in extremely proud of his son, extremely modifies the adjective proud, and of his son functions as its complement. Now let's seek the answers of the question, what are the functions of an adjective phrase? An adjective phrase can perform two main functions in a sentence: attributive functions and predicative functions. When it appears before a noun, it functions attributively by modifying the noun, as in a very beautiful garden. When it appears after a linking verb, it functions predicatively by describing the subject, as in the garden is very beautiful. In both cases, the head adjective remains the central element of the adjective phrase. Next, we have an adverb phrase. An adverb phrase, AdvP, is a phrase whose head word is an adverb. The head adverb determines the grammatical category of the phrase, while the other words modify or intensify its meaning. In the examples, very quickly, quite slowly, extremely carefully, rather well, and too soon, the head words are quickly, slowly, carefully, well, and soon respectively. Now discuss the characteristics of an adverb phrase. An adverb phrase has an adverb as its head word, which determines the grammatical category of the phrase. It modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, and may consist of one word or several words. An adverb phrase functions as a single syntactic unit within a sentence, and may include modifiers that intensify or qualify the meaning of the head adverb. The structure of an adverb phrase, AdvP. The structure of an adverb phrase, AdvP, is built around a head adverb, which is the essential element of the phrase. An adverb phrase may consist of a single adverb or an adverb modified by another adverb. For example, in quickly, quickly is the head adverb. In very quickly, quite slowly, rather well, and too late, the first adverb modifies the head adverb, while the head adverb determines the grammatical category of the entire phrase. An adverb phrase can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. When it modifies a verb, it describes how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. As an example, she spoke very softly. And when it modifies an adjective, it intensifies or qualifies the adjective. As an example, he is extremely intelligent. Lastly, when it modifies another adverb, it changes the degree or intensity of that adverb. As an example, she ran very quickly. Now let's take a look at this table to understand the difference between the two. An adjective phrase, AdjP, and an adverb phrase, AdvP, are distinguished by their head words and their functions in a sentence. An adjective phrase has an adjective as its head and modifies a noun or pronoun by describing its qualities. In contrast, an adverb phrase has an adverb as its head and modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by expressing manner, degree, time, place, or other circumstances. For example, very intelligent is an adjective phrase because intelligent is the head adjective, whereas very quickly is an adverb phrase because quickly is the head adverb. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss other types of phrases. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them. Your feedback really matters to us, so let us know whether these lectures are helpful and how we can make them even better. Your room to learn is just a click away. Like and subscribe today.